How to turn off device encryption in Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn off device encryptions in Windows 11. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, click on the Windows icon and from the pop-up menu, simply click on Settings icon to open the Settings app. And now here, once inside the settings, look at the left hand side and there you can see the option labeled as privacy and security. So simply click on that, and now here under privacy and security at the top you can see the option labeled as device encryption. So simply click on it, and now here under the device encryption you can see the option labeled as device encryption. So as of right now, it's toggled on. So to turn it off, just toggle off that option. And after that, you might need to enter your admin password if prompted. And with that, you just have to wait for the decryption process to complete. And this may take some time depending on your drive size. And that's it. That's how you can turn off device encryption in Windows 11. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.